Here we have AP Calculus BC problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Using the substitution u equals to x square negative 3 integral negative 1 to 4 x times x square negative 3 raised to the power of 5 dx is equal to which of the following? In the given answer choices, we have to find the one that is equivalent to this integration, and we can use the u substitution according to the stuff we have over here. Okay, now let me consider the stuff we have over here, that is u equals to x square negative 3. Since we do u substitution, we have to get this integration in terms of the new variable u. When I try to get the given integration in terms of the new variable u, at the place of dx, I must have du. So I have to get du from this u. So what should I do? I have to get derivative of this u. Since u is a function of x, we have to find derivative of this u with respect to x. Then I'm getting du over dx on the left side. When I find derivative of this x square is 2x and it's a constant. When I find derivative of this constant negative 3, it will become 0. Okay, let's multiply both sides of this equation by dx. Then we get du equals to 2x times dx. Now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 1 over 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I'm getting 1 over 2 times du equals to x times dx. And also here we have limits in the given integration, negative 1 and 4. So we have these limits for the variable x. Since we change this complete integration to the new variable u, we have to change these limits also to the new variable u. Okay, when x equals to negative 1, what is the limit for u? For that, we have to plug in this value negative 1 for x over here. Then we get negative 1 the whole square, negative 3. Then we get u equals to the value of negative 1 whole square is just 1, negative 3. Then we get negative 2. When x equals to negative 1, we get u equals to negative 2. The same thing we have to do for the upper limit 4. That is, when x equals to 4, what is the limit for u? The same thing we have to plug in this 4 for x over here. Then we get 4 square, negative 3. We get u equals to 16, negative 3 equals to 13. When x equals to 4, u equals to 13. Okay, now let's take the given integral, that is integral negative 1 to 4 x times x square negative 3 to the 5th power dx. Okay, integral negative 1 to 4. We can write this x along with this dx. Then we get x square and negative 3 to the 5th power times x dx. Let's change this integration to the new variable u. Then instead of the limits negative 1 and 4, we have to use the limits of u. So the limits of u are negative 2 to 13. Okay, let me write over here negative 2 to 13. And for this x square negative 3, we can plug in u. Then we get u to the 5th power. And for this x times dx, already we got the stuff 1 over 2 times du. Okay, let me plug in over here. And 1 over 2 is a constant. It's a multiplied over here. So we can move this constant out of the integral. Then we get 1 over 2 times integral negative 2 to 13 u to the 5th power du. Okay, now I got the given integration in terms of the new variable u. And now I have to check the answer choices where I find this integration. I find this one in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.